Browser administration offers an alternative to installing any software on either a PC or portable device. Basic PAC Access Control administration functions are available by accessing the PAC server using any web browser. Using the browser, it is possible to add and edit keys from any location where there is a suitable network connection. Note that the browser function must be enabled on the main PAC server before you are able to use this feature. This would normally be done either by your IT department or your PAC installation or maintenance company. Open any browser on your PC or portable device and enter the URL for your PAC server. The PAC browser application will open at the login page. If you right-click on this screen and select the Save As option, you can create a shortcut to this page on your desktop. The administration options are available in the top toolbar. Let's begin with Keyholder administration. All key holders are displayed with photographs if used. If you prefer, the screen may be changed to a list view. At the bottom of this page, you may also select the number of key holders to be displayed. The filter provides a quick method of finding a particular key holder. You have the same editing options as you have in the key holder screen in the main PAC Access Central application. So let's demonstrate how to create a new key holder. You may add a photo, set start or end dates, or add a category. Because you are using a desktop reader, select the Add Key button. Next, assign an access group. In this case, the key will be added by presenting it to a door reader, so you must select the Key from Event option. The system is now listening for any unknown key events, so when a new key is presented to any door reader, it appears in this pane. Using the browser, it is possible to manually override door lock conditions. Here are some examples. You now have a number of options. You may simply release the door for a few seconds to allow someone to enter. Or you may release the lock for a set period, after which the door will automatically return to its normal state. Or you may permanently release the lock. The condition of the door is indicated. Live events may be viewed in the browser using the Events tab. You may also view the events for an individual keyholder using this button in the Keyholders screen. Reports may be run in the browser. However, if you need to use filters in the report, you should use the Reports function in the main PAC software application. More reports may be added to this list from the main application. The Keyseek feature enables you to trace a key to its owner. This function does require a desktop reader. Simply presents the key to the reader. When any browser is used on a non-secured network, the activity of the user is vulnerable and may be monitored by anyone on that network who has the knowledge and the intention to do so. You should only use PAC Access Central browser on a secured network or, in the case of a portable device such as a tablet, via a VPN connection.